Hello and welcome to this model here. We did a model of the underwater explosion or UNDEX model over a hull here. This is the hull, this cylinder, which is made with aluminium with Johnson-Cook plasticity and damage. Also here we have the green as the air, here water, here is soil. This is free layer, also the TNT at the middle of the part. So if I click on this and I make it this again, and let me check the stress first. The stress for the hull. Click on animate. You can see that's the hull and the stress. Let me replace the hull. Remove this part and just the hull. See? Click on animate. This is the stress propagation and it is filled completely. You can see that because we use a huge amount of the TNT at the depth of the water. Okay, let me replace all. Now we can click on this, for instance, to check the TNT propagations here. That's the TNT here. Let me make it the pressure. Click on this, see the pressure. Before that, let me use this option to have more continuous file view. Again, click on the animation. This is the TNT propagation inside the water, then it's through into the air, and also it makes some changes on the soil. If I click on animate here, see the soil, and you can see the soil deflection here, the wave of the soil deflection. And now let me make the view this view, and let me check the water here. This view, what is this? Is the through view. The water is red, see that? And here this is the TNT and this is the hull. And see the compaction of the soil here, the air. If I click here on the TNT, this is the TNT, the soil is here, the air, and we can check plastic strain for the soil here, and again plastic strain for the soil, TNT pressure. See, this is the TNT pressure, the pressure in the water, we can check it, the pressure or the stress in the water, in the air, or in the soil. Here this is the stress in the soil. So let me use this view or this option here. We can make it stress and pressure. Click on animate. See here the TNT propagation. This is a full 3D model of the TNT soil, water, air, and the aluminium hull as a floating structure underwater. And this is the end frame, see that? We can check anything else like velocity. The velocity, we can check it in X, Y view. That is the velocity of the TNT. Here, then density of the TNT, the density of the water, density of the soil, or anything else. Okay, so if you need to model a 3D index or underwater explosion, you can provide this tutorial. Come to our website here, www.abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here. Click on title or blue sign. Then you will have a title, the part definition. This is the geometry definition here. Then explanation about the material models, step interaction load, mesh, and then the result as figures. You can see the results here. The cost for the CAINP English video file step by step is 36 euros. You can use a PayPal account, a Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before payment, contact me on this email for the further information. Also, we have a Abaqus full package here, contains more than 400 advanced tutorial about all things in Abaqus, in the finite element and CFD or FSI, magnetic, anything else. For instance, we have explosion with all methods for all materials, impact high and low for all the materials, welding, biomechanics, forming cracks, soil, fluid structure interaction, CFD, thermal analysis, thermal structure, anything else, you can see them here. So to provide this exceptional package which contain all the tutorials, you can contact me to this email. Then I will tell you about the price and the payment process for this full package. Thank you for your attention.